What's up guys, today's video is on the best welding carts. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Hotmax WC100 Welding Cart. Our top cart is the Hotmax WC100, which has an attractive powder-coated end. It's a bit heavier than Zeny's portable cart. However, it's a comparable height and the proper length for maximum transportable welders or plasma cutters. This cart is designed with plenty of open area, which is appropriate for storing gadgets you need to apply on the job, and don't thoughts exposed to a bit of grinding dust or workshop dirt. It would be great to have a sealed-off area on this cart, but there's sufficient room for a consumables box if preferred. There are also no lockable features, so it's no longer ideal for retaining items safely while you're away. However, for what it's designed for, this cart is top pleasant and might make a terrific addition to any workshop or hobbyist welder's garage. Number 2. 3 Tiers Rolling Welding Cart. The Addict 3-tier welding cart is relatively low-priced and may endure a hefty 176 pounds worth of items on it. It isn't as easily moved around when it's maxed to its load capacity, but if it doesn't have too much on it, the cart is smooth to waft around. The dual chain clamp works properly to steady your welding bottle tightly to the cart frame, and the peak is ideal for having access to your welding without problems. It comes with a painted finish which is properly completed, however now not as durable as powder coating. But overall, it's a low-cost alternative and excellent for your money than many of the online carts we reviewed. Number 3. Clutch Compact Locking Welding Cart. The Clutch Compact Locking Welding Cabinet is a pinnacle excellent option for its price range. It's barely more pricey than our first 3 ranked carts. However, it's made well and is smooth to push around with a large weight on it. It's beneficial to have the lockable cupboard below where the welder sits. However, it doesn't have any outside shelves like Zeny's transportable welding cart. However, it's properly powder-coated and consists of a twin chain clamp, although it's smaller in height and can take care of 135 kilos of weight, except for the bottle. It's designed for wearing a bottle, so in case you're carting things around without a bottle on the back, it doesn't work as well because of its need for weight on the pinnacle of the back wheels. Number 4. Vivohum Iron 3 Tiers Rolling. The Vivohum Iron 3 Tiers Rolling is a fine powder line cart that's heavy-duty and is derived with a useful angle to without difficulty get right of entry to the welder or plasma reducing settings. It's a bit short for what we like, as you must bend over while using the welder on it, but it's beneficial that the manager may be unclipped out of the manner when loading and unloading the welder. There aren't any lockable capabilities in this. It most effectively comes with an unmarried chain clamp, which matches, however not as well as the dual chain clamps other carts have. It rolls around almost as nicely with weight as without it. However, it doesn't experience as easy to show around as other carts because of the unusual wheel placement. If you want a smaller open-styled welding cart, this is a worthwhile choice to keep in mind due to what it comes with at its fee. But it's no longer our favorite cart. Number 5. Lincoln Electric Welding Cart. Lincoln Electric regularly makes first-class products, and the wire feeder welder cart is one of its greater low-cost gadgets. However, we don't just like the design as a whole lot as other carts. Out of all the carts to be had online, it's one of the lowest to the ground. This makes accessing the welder uncomfortable, as you have to bend down and the handle partially blocks access to the welder. It's light and smooth to transport around both loaded and unloaded, but it doesn't shape huge gas bottles. There is no chain to steady them due to the fact they take a seat interior a hole in the top of the cart. This is our least favorite part of these we've reviewed. However, in case you choose a mild and low choice for carting a welder and small bottle round, this is a great choice. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.